In advanced manufacturing and welding at Southeastern, students prepare to work in metal fabrication, welding, and sheet metal fields. We focus on foundational skills such as cutting, brazing, and welding, and we practice on creative and live projects each shop day. When creating design work, we draw out ideas using CAD software. We generate virtual models, which we print using the plasma cutter. We practice MIG, stick, and TIG welding methods, which each prepare us for different parts of the industry, including car manufacturing, pipe fitting, and even decorative metalwork. We learn about unions and careers across the industry, providing a well-rounded sense for students how to get a job during senior year and after graduation. We work with different materials and tools to make just about anything we can dream up. We are advanced manufacturing and welding.